Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2015 Mercedes-Benz C300 4MATIC. This one's a lunar blue metallic. Underneath it is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with the luxury package with a luxury exterior and interior Mercedes-Benz hood ornament, 17-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels, a crystal gray MB-Tex interior with a burl walnut wood trim, panorama sunroof, C300 4MATIC badging, clean set of all-season and regular floor mats, fold down rear seats, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, media display, dual climate controls, hard keys for the media display, cup holders, touchpad and wheel for the infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This C-Class has 34,460 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this 2015 Mercedes-Benz C300 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.